The 2025 Ford Mustang is here, and it continues to define what an American muscle car should be: powerful, stylish, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Built with pride in the United States at Ford's Flat Rock assembly plant in Michigan, the latest Mustang stays true to its heritage while pushing performance and innovation to new heights. In this article, we'll explore what makes the 2025 Mustang a standout in the sports car world, from its design and performance to its advanced technology and American craftsmanship. Iconic American design with a modern twist. The 2025 Mustang carries forward its bold, aggressive styling with some fresh refinements. The signature front grille is more sculpted than ever, giving it a powerful stance, while the LED headlights and taillights have been redesigned for a sleek and modern look. The iconic tri-bar taillights remain, ensuring the Mustang keeps its classic charm. Ford is also offering a variety of new color options and wheel designs, allowing enthusiasts to customize their Mustang to match their personality. Whether you prefer a bold racing stripe or a stealthy blacked-out look, the 2025 Mustang delivers head-turning aesthetics. High-performance engine options. One of the biggest highlights of the Mustang has always been its powerful engine lineup. The 2025 model keeps the tradition alive with several exciting options. 2.3 liters EcoBoost turbocharged i4. This engine delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for daily driving with a punch. 5.0 liters Coyote V8 GT, the heart and soul of the Mustang, producing up to 500 horsepower with a deep, roaring exhaust note that muscle car fans love. Dark Horse Edition, 5.0 liters V8 performance upgrade. A beastly version of the V8 that delivers more horsepower and track-ready enhancements for those who crave high-speed thrills. No matter which engine you choose, the 2025 Mustang promises an exhilarating driving experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the racetrack. Cutting-edge technology interior upgrades. Step inside the 2025 Mustang, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit packed with advanced technology. The dashboard features a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into one continuous display. Powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 system, it includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa voice commands, over-the-air updates for continuous improvement. The Mustang also comes equipped with premium materials, offering an improved feel and comfort. From leather-trimmed seats to a customizable ambient lighting system, the interior blends luxury with performance-driven design. Superior handling performance features. The 2025 Mustang isn't just about straight-line speed, it's built for handling as well. Ford has fine-tuned its suspension and chassis for better cornering and stability, making it more agile than ever. Key performance features include MagneRide adaptive suspension. It adjusts automatically for a smoother, more responsive ride. Selectable drive modes. Choose from normal, sport, track, and drag strip to customize your driving experience. Performance exhaust system. An active exhaust lets you switch between quiet cruising and full throttle roars. For track enthusiasts, the Dark Horse Edition offers even more performance upgrades, including larger brakes, stiffer suspension, and improved aerodynamics. Built in the USA, a true American muscle car. The Ford Mustang has been an American icon for over 60 years, and the 2025 model is no exception. Proudly manufactured in Flat Rock, Michigan, it represents the best of American engineering and craftsmanship. Every detail, from the hand-assembled V8 engines to the high-quality materials, reflects Ford's commitment to performance and durability. With American muscle car competitors like the Chevrolet Camaro and Dodge Challenger either discontinuing or shifting toward electric powertrains, the Mustang stands strong as the last true gas-powered muscle car, continuing to deliver raw power and excitement. Final thoughts: the 2025 Mustang is the ultimate thrill machine. The 2025 Ford Mustang brings together iconic design, thrilling performance, and cutting-edge technology, all while staying true to its American roots. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or a newcomer looking for the ultimate sports car, this model is built to impress. With multiple engine choices, track-ready features, and a high-tech interior, the 2025 Mustang proves that the muscle car era is far from over. Ford continues to refine and innovate while keeping the soul of the Mustang alive. Would you take the 2025 Mustang for a spin? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this article, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mustang updates. Would you like any specific details added, such as comparisons with rivals or insights into upcoming electric Mustang models?